Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Max Impact 4. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and so I want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Air Max Impact 4 in the Guava Ice 5 Berry Hyper Pink colorway. And we got this in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. Here they are. A very solid basketball shoe, if you ask me. So for those that don't know, the Impact is a basketball sneaker, very good price point. We got this for $89.95 on Nike, and you know, you can't be mad at this. Really versatile design, reminds me of a Kobe, recipes Kobe. But yeah, so we'll start with looking at all the specs, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole, and you can obviously see the all-round traction. It's got a herringbone pattern all around. And it says, you know, it's Air Max Impact, which is the name of the sneaker. It's right there, the top part of the sneaker, and you got the Air Max logo at the bottom. For the midsole, so this midsole is a foam midsole, and as the name suggests, it has an Air Max cushioning at the heel. And if you look as well, so if you were to look at the front of the sneaker, so just at the forefoot, you've got extended rubber from the outsole just to give you more grip on the court. Moving along onto the upper, this upper is an all synthetic upper, all man-made materials, it's knitted, you can see the heated plastics as well that is on the toe box. Nice spongy tongue with the Air Max logo, Nike swoosh as well, and you've got some round laces to go with some pink berry aglets right there. Looking at the lateral side, you've got a big Nike swoosh that's printed on as well. It's like a heat pressed plastic as well. And if you were to look at the medial side, you've got the heat pressed plastic as well there on a swoosh. On the heel, you can see that it should be relatively easier to slip your feet in, as it's got that little lip there, and it's very nicely supported, very spongy as well. You've got a nice swoosh that is stitched on. The ankle support, as I mentioned, is very heavily padded because you know you're going to be doing a lot of jumping, and well, with it being an Air Max, it's going to cushion your fall. The insole, so you've got a polyurethane insole. There's not a lot of branding inside there for you, but there's a little Impact logo that's right there on the lateral side. You can see it. It looks like an eye, but it's an arrow. And on the medial side, you've got the Air Max logo just by the heel of the sneaker. So as I mentioned before, this is a basketball sneaker, very good price point. So if you're not looking to buy a player edition or a signature shoe from a Nike athlete, these are a good alternative. We'll try these on, I'll let you know how they feel on, what the sizing is like, all that jazz. But if you want to see us do some performance reviews, we'd love to get your thoughts on that. So let us know in the comment section below if you want to see us do some performance reviews. And yeah, I'm just gonna roll that footage of me trying these Impact 4s on for you.
it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike Fit. I'm Mickey size 7.5, and these fit perfectly. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfortable, guys. They give me that lockdown support. It feels a bit tight, but that's what I want when I'm wearing basketball sneakers. Obviously, I don't want them to fall off my feet whilst I'm running. And as we mentioned before in the review, if you want to see us do a performance review, let us know in the comment section below. We won't know until you guys let us know. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of parachute cargo pants from Uniqlo. At the time of this recording, you can purchase a pair on the Uniqlo website. This is not a sponsored ad by Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some cargos at your boy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.